God Almighty for this win. Without him, this was not possible. And even wherever we were, there were lots of ups and downs, but we had exceptional management. A coach, assistant coach, manager, physio, each and everyone put more than 100% of effort and faith into all of us. And because of them, we are here today. And also, each and every one of these girls has really put in hard work, a lot of effort. I'm really proud to be the captain of them. Like, I'm so proud that I'm with them right now. I can't be happier. This is really a very memorable day and experience for me. And also I'd like to thank GFA. They've supported us lots. They've sent us here first of all, so it's a great thing. And everybody who has prayed for us and supported us from day one. Thank you.